Bon allez, c'est parti pour le chapitre 2. J'ai trop hâte. Vraiment, qu'est-ce que j'aime le jeu, bordel. Il est trop bien. J'espère que t'auras quand même la bonne fin. Pas de spoil, no backseat. Je veux découvrir. Et puis, on verra. Hein.
Mr. Wolf. You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep. How are you feeling? I know it's been a long night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
Je ne répondrai qu'en présence de mon avocat pour l'instant.
Nice. Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
You know, I hate to say it, but I don't think you do.
Of course. You're right. I can't imagine what you're going through right now.
What is it with you cops? Always trying to empathize with people. I know this must be hard for you. Do you? Do you fucking know? Have you had a friend killed and their head left at your fucking doorstep? No? Didn't think so. Your nose is
Ah, c'est
bleeding.
pesant. Ah. Hein?
Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Ouais, mais on m'a drogué. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Please. Please. I'm sorry. Just
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
make it stop, please.
We have to go now.
What the fuck is going on?
You should be thanking me. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive, but it works. The whole station will forget the last 24 hours and everything they saw at the Woodlands. Well, hurry up.
Ok. Et il me paraît bizarre quand même, Monsieur Crane, là. Putain, mais je pensais qu'on allait faire l'aventure avec Blanche tout le temps. Pas du tout. Merci pour le coup de main.
Thanks for the lift.
Certainly. We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem.
Ah,
Bluebeard's...
vous avez un bug? Ça bug mais c'est revenu. Ok, ok, très bien.
currently interrogating him, and he hasn't said anything useful. And Big B, we have to tread carefully here. We can't implicate an innocent man, and people are already worried about your conduct.
There's two of them. Dee and Dunn. And they've been snooping around every crime scene I've
Faut
looked
qu'on se
at.
concentre dans l'affaire de toute
That
façon.
doesn't mean they're necessarily involved in the murders. I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too. You know, I never get more homesick than when one of us dies. And now, for it to be snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is really happening.
Yeah. It's hard.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she, give any indication to what she was thinking? When you saw her last, I mean. I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was...
Elle m'a dit d'être prudent. Je lui ai dit vous aussi.
Told me to be careful.
She was always fond of you, Bigby.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
I got it.
Putain, vraiment, c'est super bien mis en scène. Hein. Je trouve que c'est super bien réalisé le jeu.
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less...
Attendez, c'est qui lui déjà? C'est Barbe Bleue, non? Ouais, c'est Barbe Bleue, hein. C'est bien ce qui me semblait, hein.
Meaningful for you, in theory.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
Un petit peu trop pressé, hein, quand même.
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Hello, Bigby.
I want answers, Dee.
Oh, goody. I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
J'ai vu
It's
mieux.
been better.
Ça va, mon chat?
But we're not here to talk about me. Snow White is dead.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
Ouais, mais t'es quand même
I'm
bizarre, toi.
supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
I still have questions for you, Dee.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work. He's got more experience with these kinds of things.
Pourquoi
You
étais-tu
know I
fait chez
saw you at
Face?
Faith's apartment. What were you doing there?
Girl's got air conditioning. You can't imagine what it's like living in a little shithole with no air.
La violence. Toujours bien.
All right, Dee. Let's get to know each other.
Toujours bien la violence.
You know, I really like spending time. Fuck, Bigby. Don't make me look at that. Just put that away. Please.
Ça pourrait être
You
toi?
don't tell me who did this, I'll make sure you end up the same way. Dead on your doorstep.
Ça pourrait être clairement toi, hein, à
I
sa
didn't
place.
kill
Hein.
her, and I don't know who did.
Just tell me what you were doing at Faith's apartment.
Look, Bigby, we're not on opposite sides here. My brother and I are trying to get to the bottom of things, same as you.
Your brother. Where was he last night?
I can't say. He could have been anywhere.
Il
Take
était
your
chez...
best guess.
He didn't do
Chez Todd.
it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look, I answered your question. Can I get my stuff back now?
What did you find on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Can we move this along? If you need some assistance, I'd be more than happy to provide some.
What is it now, Big B?
Coopère et tu pourras
You
partir.
need to tell me where your brother is. Look, I know it's unpleasant. You don't want to be here, right? I'm not trying to make things difficult for you. I just need you to cooperate. Once you've answered my questions, I'll let you go.
It would help if I wasn't strapped to a chair. Fair enough.
Look, Bigby, this isn't going to work. Don't you want to find out what happened to those girls? To Snow White?
Let me handle this. So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith. I don't know where
Trouver
he is
son?
now.
Tu voulais
But
trouver
he
Faith?
didn't kill anybody.
Qu'est-ce que tu
Just
voulais trouver?
leave him out of
Vas-y,
this.
You
raconte.
went to find Faith's what?
Her apartment. I
Non,
went to her apartment. That's
oui.
no secret. You saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
All right, Dee, since you never answered my first question, what did you want from Faith?
Sorry, I can't help you. I'm not saying any more about it. You mind loosening those? I can barely feel my fingers. Ah. Real cute, you prick.
What are you doing?
Getting answers.
I told you to keep yourself under control.
Let me handle this.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Chacha?
What did you want from Faith?
I didn't want shit from that little thief. More trouble than she's worth.
I could say the same about you.
Oh yeah? Untie me and see how much trouble I am.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a volé?
What did she steal? Must have been valuable.
I don't know. It was just some dumb thing my boss was after.
What did you say?
Your boss.
Ah. Ah.
Let's talk about your boss then. Come on, Dee. It's clear you're just following orders. So who's calling the shots?
No, I'm fucking done.
Mais c'est quoi ça? C'est genre...
You make me fucking sick.
Je fais quoi avec son argent?
You always carry this much cash.
I don't like banks. So what?
I'm declaring a tax on uncooperative troublemakers.
What the fuck kind of a shakedown is this?
You'll need to account for that. You can't just... There are procedures to be followed. We'll talk about it later.
Last chance, Dee. Who are you working for?
Fuck you! You're a piece of shit, Bigby. Beauty was wrong about you. You're just a sick...
Beauty. You're full of shit.
Ah.
We're good friends.
That's enough. I will not tolerate this savagery. You think someone was trying to kill Snow? Isn't it more likely someone was trying to get back at you by killing her?
You want to talk about Snow? You treated her like shit your whole career. Better take the blame for your incompetence. Now you can.
What's going on down here?
Quoi? 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 Oh, on s'est tous fait avoir. On s'est tous fait avoir. C'est que ça des rebondissements, mais j'aime trop ça, Dylan. Putain, j'aime trop ça, moi. J'aurais pris le cigare perso pour voir si on pouvait le faire parler à la brûlure. Moi, je me suis dit, on va le faire fumer quoi? On va lui mettre dans la bouche, on va le faire fumer. Wouah, c'est trop bien. Oh là là. Oh là là, le jeu est fou. Le jeu est fou. Et lui, il est encore en train de pioncer, hein.
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
Bah... Vous aviez la tête coupée.
I hope it was worth your time.
Bah oui, comment ça se fait que vous ne soyez pas mort?
You're gonna have to explain this.
Je veux de
I'm
l'explication.
really not getting it yet.
After our conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer. Or at least to figure out who she is.
I should have been there, Snow.
I tried calling the business office, but there was no answer. I couldn't find you, or anyone, so I took care of it.
Snow?
What is it?
Bah je suis content que vous soyez en vie.
I'm glad you're not dead.
Enfin moi je suis toujours sous le choc personnellement.
I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like...
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me.
Bah oui.
And maybe that's why she was killed.
Ce n'est pas votre faute.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me.
Oui par contre oui, c'est
Can't be a
vraiment
coincidence.
étonnant.
We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me. I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next move?
Ou alors c'est vous actuellement qui avez un trompe-l'œil. Et que Blanche est
I'll
vraiment
figure
morte.
this out. Don't worry.
And what am I supposed to do? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
I'm the sheriff, Snow. I go out and do the dirty work to keep you all safe.
And what am I here for then? I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm
and-
not yours to lose. I'm sorry. I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself. I've been doing it for centuries.
Ouais mais bon, t'as failli crever quand même. Je t'avoue
TJ
que...
is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up though, so try not to be too, you know.
I can handle the kid.
Okay. TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Mhm. Je vais voir CJ. Ah oui c'est vrai que CJ a un peu peur de moi.
Mira, vanish! Cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
Bigby, you ready to apologize?
What's going on?
For hitting me in front of my boy. Did you fucking forget? I didn't, and neither did he.
TJ, I know you're scared, but we would like to talk about what you found, if that's okay with you. It's up to you, TJ.
It would really help us, TJ.
I want to help.
Watch yourself, Bigby. You do anything to hurt me boy.
peut pas s'excuser, ça y est.
Okay.
Sorry if I scared you.
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad, I promise.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ. You're okay.
You're not in trouble.
On va calmer un peu.
Tell me what happened.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
Ouais, vu qu'il a pas de
That's
trompe-l'œil,
right, son.
j'imagine c'est pour ça.
Then I saw... I saw the lady.
It's okay, son.
Bah non, je suis con. Faut pas que je le réconforte. Il a peur de moi.
I know.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Quoi?
Cinder blocks tied to her ankles. Is there more, TJ?
Is it true? You know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Yeah, part of my job is being able to tell when people are lying. I'm really good
C'est
at
mon
it.
job.
Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I
Il n'aura
told
pas
you.
d'ennui.
You're not in trouble. Like Ellie's not. Not this time, Toad.
Voilà,
So you didn't stay underwater.
voilà.
I
On
don't know
calme.
if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing."
Merci
And
Miel.
then I was scared, and I went under for as
N'oubliez
long
pas de
as
boire.
I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No.
Did you see who it was?
No.
Ok.
Sheriff.
Je vais le laisser partir, je pense que c'est
Okay,
bon.
TJ.
Je pense qu'il en saura pas
sorry.
plus.
After I came up
Il en saura
again,
pas plus.
there was no one there, and I ran home. That's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Ouais, tu peux y aller.
Okay. You can
Tu
go.
peux y aller, c'est déjà très bien. Si tu te rappelles de quelque chose, n'hésite pas. T'inquiète.
Thank you, TJ.
Okay,
Putain, en
son.
vrai,
Let's get you home. You did a good job, kid. Come on, then.
voilà, très bien. Il est content le gosse. Je suis gentil avec le gosse. Voilà. Tout va mieux.
That went about as well as I expected. You want to go look at the body now?
Ouais, bah on
Yeah.
va aller le voir. Hein.
Come on.
On va aller voir le
Oh
corps.
my goodness! I almost forgot.
Non, c'est vrai que enfin, je trouve que les personnages dégagent vraiment de l'émotion. C'est parfois compliqué dans certains jeux, mais là, je trouve que ça, il y a vraiment quelque chose qui se dégage. Ouais, la narration est vraiment très bien, Miel. Ouais, je suis vraiment d'accord. Tout s'enchaîne bien, tout est parfait. Franchement, et puis je sais pas, vraiment les personnages, il y a quelque chose. Non mais elle lui ressemble mais tellement. C'est sûr que c'est un trompe-l'œil. Hein.
I didn't realize I've never seen her face before now.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive.
Ouais.
But just do what you need to do. That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
C'est pas un symbole qu'on avait vu dans le livre? Non, non, je crois que je confonds.
Looks just like
Ouais, ça a été
Faith's.
coupé de la même façon un peu que la dernière
Did
fois.
Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests. If the neck wound was the same, there might be a ribbon in her mouth too. Anything?
Nothing. So, it's not exactly the same.
Après, le ruban, c'est parce qu'elle avait le ruban autour de,
Can you-
du cou la dernière fois.
Close her mouth.
Mais elle avait la bague.
Thanks.
Hop. Quoi? Ok, je peux peut-être encore...
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
Can't fool this nose.
Ouais, ouais, bien sûr. C'est le nez, c'est le nez.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise.
Il y a un truc marqué là. Ah, d'accord, ok.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
On va l'ouvrir de force, hein.
What are you doing?
Même s'il y a la rigidité cadavérique, je m'en fous. Hein. Attention, peut-être les doigts sautent.
Jesus,
Non, c'est bon.
Bigby. What is it? Flowers.
Yeah.
Il a un bon flair, logique. Ouais, c'est ça, ouais. C'est le flair. C'est le flair, lui. Des fleurs d'aubergine. Non, arrête, c'est pas lié avec Emio. Non. C'est pas lié avec Emio.
She
C'est
was
pas l'homme au
tied up.
sourire.
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh,
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms.
Par contre, je me demande
or
comment
if
ça
they're trying
s'utilise
to
un
hide the
trompe-l'œil.
marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg. Unless
Don't be ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
C'est vrai qu'il y a des trompe-l'œil bon marché comme c'était
Just to
écrit. Hein.
get the job done.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
it's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Ah ouais, c'est marrant.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Snow, do you mind if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Attendez, est-ce que... Moi, je suis en train de me dire, est-ce que la Blanche-Neige qu'on côtoyait au début...
Making progress.
était avec 4
See
boutons
what
sur
else
sa
we can
veste.
find.
Well, I certainly hope you're behaving yourself. Up
Pas le moment où
here.
je lis le passage sur les jambes, je suis en mode
Already
ok.
found
Her glamour's defective.
Defective.
We're thinking it's black market. We should really be regulating this kind of thing.
Yes.
Parce que s'il faut, en face
We
de
should
nous, on a une
keep going.
fausse, au contraire, Blanche-Neige. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Use this.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
Ok, en fait, je pense quand même que non, c'est pas...
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't.
Et bonsoir! Bonsoir tout le monde! Je mets sur pause parce que sinon ça va continuer. Bonsoir à tous! Bonjour le raid! Coucou Istria, merci beaucoup pour le raid! Merci beaucoup, vous étiez sur quoi? Vous étiez sur quoi de beau? Et merci beaucoup pour le follow, merci beaucoup Glitina, et bonjour Glitina, coucou Adwin, coucou Oxer... Je sais pas le prononcer, pardon. Vous étiez sur Alien Isolation. Ah, un bon jeu de soirée ça. Un bon jeu de soirée. Merci beaucoup pour tous les follow, merci beaucoup. J'espère que vous allez bien en tout cas. On est sur The Wolf Among Us. Alors, il va falloir que je vous fasse un Xerxes. Ok, merci. Merci. Il va falloir que je vous fasse un résumé si vous voulez comprendre. En gros, c'est un jeu narratif où vous incarnez donc Bixby qui est le grand méchant loup. Réellement le grand méchant loup. Donc ça se passe en fait, on est une fable. Et on apprend donc que Podane s'est fait tuer. Et on recherche le coupable, le véritable coupable. Et on pense que c'est le bûcheron. J'essaye de vous faire un résumé très vite, sachant que je suis très nul pour résumer. C'est mon gros problème. Certaines personnes peuvent certaines fables peuvent se camoufler avec des trompe-l'œil. Et là, on apprend donc que au début du chapitre 2, on suppose que Blanche-Neige est morte, la tête découpée aussi. Et finalement, en fait, on se rend compte que c'est certainement une fausse Blanche-Neige qui a été découpée, puisqu'il y a la vraie Blanche-Neige qui est encore en vie. Et voilà. Vous n'avez rien compris? Pas grave, on va essayer de réexpliquer ça autrement. J'adore ce jeu. Je ne l'ai jamais fait, Istria. C'est la première fois que je le fais et j'avais trop envie de le faire. Et je sais qu'il y a le 2 qui arrive bientôt. Et c'est pour ça que je voulais le faire absolument. Donc voilà, enfin je le découvre. Mais c'est vrai que c'est un jeu depuis des années que j'avais envie de faire. Mais en tout cas, merci beaucoup pour le raid, merci beaucoup d'avoir pensé à moi. Et bienvenue à tous. Il y aura un résumé pour le prochain épisode, vous inquiétez pas, vous inquiétez pas. On essaiera de résumer correctement. Sinon, il y a les VOD, hein. Sinon, il y a les VOD, j'avoue, mais je suis trop nul pour résumer les choses.
How do we open it?
Alors, attendez.
Might want to stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Faut faire un symbole. C'est un cheval. Pourquoi c'est un cheval? Ah non, mais non, c'est pas le bon. J'étais en train de me dire pourquoi c'est un cheval qui ressemble... Ah, c'est un cerf. Qui ressemble à une larve. Qui a une tête de larve.
Oh.
Waouh. Mais donc pour ceux qui arrivent, hein, on fait beaucoup de choses. On fait le lundi du narratif, donc ça sera le narratif, ça sera The Wolf Among Us. On fait L'Homme au sourire, actuellement le nouveau jeu de Nintendo. On le finit demain. On fait du Lego, on fait plein de choses. On fait du multigaming, enfin voilà, bref, on fait 36 000 choses. Et on fait du FF14, bien sûr. Bien sûr, on fait du FF14 aussi. Donc voilà. Voilà. Au moins, vous êtes au courant de tout ce qu'on fait. Et n'hésitez pas, bien sûr, à aller voir Istria aussi, ce qu'elle fait. Parce qu'elle fait plein de trucs. Et elle m'a remis à Genshin Impact dernièrement. Je sais pas si c'est une bonne chose, mais elle m'a remis à Genshin Impact. Et à GeoGuessr, j'avoue.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was
Mais elle
the
fait plein de
last
choses, donc
picture I had of Rosalie.
allez
My
follow
sister and I
Istria.
don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
Oula. What?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding.
Waouh. Ouais, c'est un troll.
Yeah.
Mais elle ressemble un peu à celle du bar, donc celle du bar c'était un troll aussi. Au trick trap.
That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
Ah ouais, Oli, la propriétaire du bar, c'est exactement à ça que je pensais.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily.
Oh.
She was reported missing.
Oh, c'est Lily. Non, Lily est morte.
Guess it just slipped through the cracks.
Non, Lily.
To go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
Putain, Lily, tous les lundis, elle meurt. Hein. Dans Cult of the Lamb, elle meurt.
We should go.
Dans un jeu narratif, elle meurt.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
He's in charge of
Ah,
this
c'est à Blanche de voir.
investigation.
J'ai compris, je vais plus
Come with me.
m'opposer.
I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Mais franchement, là, comme quand je vois à quel point c'est cool, j'ai presque envie de faire plein d'autres jeux Telltale. Hein. J'en ai fait très peu, j'en ai fait qu'un seul avec Borderlands.
This whole
Mais,
thing is complete bullshit, and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Ah, je crois que j'avais fait que le chapitre 1 de Batman. Mais ouais, ils ont l'air trop cool,
Ollie,
effectivement.
I need entertainment.
Bah alors, on a un bras en moins, Jean-Michel?
Okay, I know. Just relax. I'm not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Jack.
Wolfie, my dear, how are you?
On aurait pu prendre la
Because,
tête
you
avec,
know,
ouais,
we were
je suis
just
d'accord.
talking about you.
En mode, regardez, j'ai ramené
Bar,
Blanche,
here.
et tu l'as fait apparaître derrière.
Just need
Magie.
to talk to Holly. Privately.
All right, just give us a second first. I'm dying to hear about the body.
Ouais,
that
les
came
Walking
out of
Dead, moi
East
aussi,
River
Istria,
this morning.
j'avoue que c'est
It's
pas,
a fable, right?
c'est pas un univers que j'aime trop, mais bon,
Everyone
peut-être que les
knows.
Telltale sont cool, hein, mais...
Tweedledee
J'ai un peu
was
de mal.
just here.
Ah, ça c'est cool.
You said it looked like Snow
Attends,
White.
c'était pas
Sure it
Tweedledum?
wasn't Tweedledum?
Well, no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties. Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack,
to...
find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. He fucking maimed you. Aren't you pissed?
Un petit peu, je
Got
pense,
your
quand même.
nerve. What happened?
What happened? I'm tired, is what happened.
Tired of what?
Of trouble, Jack. I'm sick and tired of trouble. I don't want any more.
Both of you, listen.
Bigby, look. 2 Fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister,
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister, has been missing for what? A few days now? And we haven't heard
Je vais
word
laisser
one about
parler.
it from anyone.
Actually, have there been any updates? On my sister?
On va être franc.
Holly, your sister's dead. She's the one we found early this morning.
Merci beaucoup Istria, en tout cas, merci beaucoup pour,
Sure walked into that
pour
one.
le lurk et
You
merci
said
beaucoup pour le
one
raid.
more fucking
Des bisous
thing.
et bonne
Just
soirée.
One more thing.
Et je vais vraiment kiffer par contre l'histoire, hein, je pense. Je vais vraiment kiffer, ça a l'air vraiment trop
God
bien.
fucking damn it! Of course, the dear princess, Snow fucking White, is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
I have to ask Holly some questions.
Christ, give her 5 minutes.
En fait, c'est son papillon, Lee. C'est juste son papillon.
Holly,
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just
It
want to.
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine. It's very
Je vais laisser parler. Je vais laisser
very
parler.
old.
It's quite lovely.
Gren,
Yeah?
take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Attendez, je veux juste voir dans les fables, dans le livre des fables. Est-ce que j'ai tout... Non, il n'y a pas celui qu'on vient de voir là. Il y a des fables qui sont bloquées, qu'on n'a pas fait dans le chapitre 1 là. Et lui, c'était qui au final? Glendale. Ouais. Ok. Ouais, donc Grendel, vaut mieux pas trop lui parler.
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often. She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Why were you two not talking?
It seems so fucking petty now, but I didn't want to watch it with her. I think she was off the Monday drugs, but she was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie. The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees, it's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's
Enfin,
okay.
je veux savoir le pudding and pie.
Huh? What do you know about the place?
It's a real garbage dump.
We can just go check it out. We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Lily,
Autre chose que tu peux
Anything
nous
else
dire?
you can tell us?
I don't think so. Like I said, we didn't talk much.
That's all right. You've been more than helpful.
Is she... Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with trolls. We burn our dead by sunrise, or... I don't know. Some old world shit will fuck your soul up.
Of course.
Okay. Good.
Let's go down to the business office and
Ok, je lui ai promis
start
le corps.
making the necessary preparations, all right?
Je préfère être gentil.
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her.
Je préfère être,
I'm
gentil.
impressed. Really, thanks. It just made everything easier.
J'aurais pas osé promettre. J'ai hésité un petit peu, Lily. Ou alors qu'on nous dise. Ouais, non, en fait, non. Vous pouvez pas avoir le corps. J'aurais été en mode. Ah! J'ai hésité en fait à demander à Crane ou alors de promettre directement mon. Le pudding and pie. Dans la soirée. En fait, ce que j'aime, c'est que j'ai l'impression que c'est réaliste en fait. C'est bête, hein, mais je me sens
Oh,
vraiment
what a
comme si
nice
ça pouvait
surprise.
exister en fait
I'm
tout
not
ça.
sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure? Or both?
I've
Des
got
questions à
some
poser à
questions
Georgie.
for Georgie.
Georgie
Straight to
s'est fait
business
tuer par
this
ça,
time,
hein.
then.
Georgie,
You're in luck.
come
He's
play
here.
with me.
Come on.
You can fly. Pardon.
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now.
J'ai un bon contact avec les gens. Vous inquiétez pas, à chaque fois j'ai un bon contact. Un bras arraché ou deux, ça passe. Ne vous en faites pas.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure. Your desires are our desires. Your imagination is the menu. And
Connaissez Lily?
discretion is our guarantee.
Did you know Lily? She worked here?
My lips are sealed. You'd better ask Georgie.
Ça me gêne qu'on parle de moi. Ah C'est parce que vous croyez Twitch.
What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a...
Attendez. Je vais faire un truc. Oh Chacha, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? On va jouer ensemble après si tu veux. On va faire un truc, attendez. Est-ce qu'il existe une image que je peux utiliser ou un truc comme ça pour cacher tout ça? Attendez, hein. Voilà. J'ai... J'ai une image parfaite. Hop. Pour ça, ne vous inquiétez pas. On arrive tout de suite. Hein. Faut juste que je la paramètre après sur mon... Sur un bouton. Mince. Tac. Ouais, très bien. On va la mettre là pour l'instant. Voilà. Je vais juste aller sur mon Stream Deck. Également. Comme ça, au moins, ça sera fait. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Hein. J'arrive. Voilà. Normalement, si je fais ça, c'est très bien. C'est bon. Voilà. Au moins, au moins, on est bon. Parfait. C'est parfait comme image. Ouais, mais les sous-titres. Ah! Ça devrait aller là. Ça devrait aller là. Parfait. On peut reprendre.
Shit! Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
Ah, sympa comme endroit.
You do have a sense of humor. Good luck.
Ah, ça va, ça cache. Hop là. Ça cache plus. Allez.
How many times do I have to say it? Oh, it's you. We're closed.
Voilà,
Keep
non, non.
dancing, you. I didn't say stop.
Ah. C'est dangereux toute cette scène. C'est dangereux.
You, stay right there. Don't even think about sitting down. We're not finished. Well, come on. I'm a busy man. What do you want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up.
Je peux pas trop, hein, même pour YouTube. Hein.
Knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beating. Tell me.
Je ne suis pas là pour ça. Je ne suis pas là pour ça, je lui dis.
I'm not here for that.
Oh, I'm not here for that. You just stopped in for the chips then? Jesus, Bigby, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it. Okay, alright, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
C'est vrai?
Are you sure?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamored.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No. I mean glamored to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things when nobody's watching. It's their own business.
It's sick.
Ha! That's quaint. Especially coming from you.
The 13th floor would never provide a glamour like that. It's strictly black market stuff.
Ooh, black market is it? How exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up. And we're all just meant to jump anytime the wolf shows his teeth.
Je vais lui montrer la...
He used to be something, you know. Now
la
look at
photo de
him.
Blanche.
Get that out of my face.
This was part of the glamour we found on Lily's body. Take a good look. She was impersonating Snow White. Why?
You've got this all wrong. If Lily was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. For fuck's sake, I want that kind of eat.
Who was she doing it for, then?
She had clients, Bigby. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me. Go on, then.
C'est bien caché. Oh, je vais l'éteindre.
You gonna hit me? Go ahead. That's what you want to do, right? That's what you came here for, right?
Mince, pardon. Le réflexe.
Oh no, fuck! You! Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it! Bloody bastard fucking shit!
Ouais, elle est partie, très bien.
You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess? Fuck's sake. Fuck off, Hans.
Hold on a minute. Hans, is it?
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're
it?
a fucking moron.
Show me.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start. Hey, that's my personal property.
Parle-moi du livre.
Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
Tell me about the book.
You haven't got the slightest clue about anything. Hey now.
Je veux ce livre.
Cut the crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again. Don't even think about it.
Bon, je vais détruire un truc. Je commence à me saouler là.
Do not touch that. You hear me? That's nothing to do with you.
There's still time for you to just cough it up.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but there's no handy magic book with everything you want to know jotted down inside. I sincerely wish there was. Maybe it would get you off me back.
Il y a bien une trappe en dessous.
Well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on, mate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
You might want to stand back.
All right, all right, all right.
Voilà. C'est bon. Merci. Non mais oh.
Bloody come on then. Fucking trash my business over this bullshit. Protector of Fabletown, my ass. What a load of crap. Once again, don't get your hopes up. There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so you can be happy about that.
Ça m'intéresse.
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby.
Fais chier.
Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Hans knows that.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie.
Des millimètres.
Your
I'm
girls.
not their fucking secretary. I give them a stage.
Ah,
I give
monsieur
them
Hans, il
music,
fait
provide
20,
an erotic
20
venue to
mm
attract
7.
and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint. Hello? Business office?
Attendez, je peux pas lui faire le faire accrocher.
Yeah, that's right.
Georgie. Georgie.
Ouais, non. C'est la même chose. Je regarde quoi là?
I want to talk to the deputy mayor.
Bon, hein, on a eu chaud, hein. On a eu chaud quand même. Hein. C'est pas de ma faute, Twitch. C'est pas ma faute. C'est le jeu. Et le casier de Lily est vide. Mais il y a des choses par terre.
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter.
Ça, c'est le casier de Face.
Lock's been busted open.
Et pareil, forcé aussi.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock.
Ça c'est quoi? Oh.
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily.
Merci
Looks
de me
like they
couvrir.
both saw one of Lily's clients. Excuse me.
Ok, c'est bon, elle est
I
rhabillée.
heard you out there.
Elle est rhabillée, c'est bon.
I don't
J'ai eu
remember
le
ever
doigt quand même
seeing you
rapidement dessus. Hein.
before.
On va rien dire.
You're trying to place me. They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Oh! C'est la petite sirène!
Once upon a time. Does that help?
Vos jambes
You
sont un trompe-l'œil.
have legs. Had a glamour?
No, they're real. Do you like them? They cost me a lot.
Elle s'est fait couper la queue pour se mettre des jambes.
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions.
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those yourself.
Did you see Lily last night? You know, where she went or who she was with?
We can't talk about work.
This is a murder case.
I mean can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
Tiens, les lèvres sont scellées.
It's
Encore.
how things work here.
People keep using those phrases. What does it mean?
Oui, c'est vrai qu'elle a déjà eu des jambes
This
avec
is
la
what I
magie, c'est
need
vrai.
to know about. Lily's last
C'est vrai,
entry.
t'as raison.
Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
These lips.
Et elle explose ta tête si tu parles ou...
Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
Ok.
Okay. What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Oh, j'ai de la thune. Putain, en fait, il y a plein de trucs qu'on peut pas faire si on a...
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
The open arms. This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Oh, il a dévisagé le mec. Oh, il l'a dévisagé. Oh, c'est trop bien, vraiment.
Yeah, this shit'll kill ya. They should probably repair that.
Ouais, effectivement, c'est un petit peu pété.
If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night?
Oh, c'est belle.
You.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew.
You should really tell Beast. He's worried about you.
I will. I just need to in my own time. By the way, thanks for covering for me.
T'inquiète.
So, what are you doing here? Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Est-ce que vous avez
Have you
vu
seen
Blanche ici?
Snow White down here? Or maybe somebody glamored as her?
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I
intéressant,
saw
ça.
her. I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
Ever
vous
meet a girl
connaissiez
named
Faith?
Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
Ever see Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job?
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here. Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think
Ah,
the last
cute.
ones are jokes.
que des faux noms. Hein.
I talked to Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him or his brother?
I took out a loan for back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money plus interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
It was from the crooked man.
Beauty.
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby. I had nowhere else to go.
Look, if this ever happens again, come see me or Snow first, all right?
I tried.
Thanks.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself.
Elle est cool hein, quand même, Belle.
5 minutes, please.
We'll see, Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
That won't be hard.
Listen, Bigby, I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just...
You're asking me to lie.
Not lie, just not include my name. Just say you talked to the clerk or something.
Ok.
You'll do what you have to. I just want you to know that that would help me. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
C'est là. Ah, je peux écouter les autres chambres. Attendez. Ils font une partie de cartes là. Je reconnais. Ouais. Et à 207. Et aucun bruit. Ok. Et ben, on va pas déranger plus longtemps. On va aller directement à notre chambre. On va pas déranger plus longtemps. C'est... Je peux vraiment ouvrir. Ah.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want. I mean, what if someone's in there? You can't just go barging in.
Alors je vais la fracasser.
Break in the door if you prefer.
No, don't. I'll help you. Just don't break anything.
On va vraiment entrer dans cette chambre. Attendez, j'ai la main quand même sur le... sur le bonus les petits. Hein.
Hey, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Jesus Christ, you're gonna get me fired. I need this job.
Sorry about that.
Mais oui, j'allais faire ça plus avec la 207 en fait. Mais c'était juste pour voir. C'était juste pour voir.
Open this one.
Ah, faut prendre des risques, Lily. Faut prendre des risques.
Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby? How could you do this to me?
Ah.
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I took care of you. I love...
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me! With him?
No, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet! I'm sure you help each other just great! I know what this place is!
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me! What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife!
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not...
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop! Stop it!
You told me you had seen her, you fucking liar! You've been sleeping with her this whole time!
We don't have to do this. Just calm down and...
Beast!
Oh putain.
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me!
Si on se laisse tabasser, au pire, il arrête.
I told you!
Ah, je sais pas ce qu'il faut faire.
Stop! Leave him be! This is my fault! Please, no! I understand!
Au secours! Risque pour faire le voyeur, super. Il y a des sites pour ça.
Bigby,
Non.
no! Don't hurt him!
Il a son compte, il a son compte, il a son compte.
You ruined everything!
Mais non, mais...
She's my fucking wife!
Ah, au moins on est rentré cette fois-ci. Et bah enfin tu vas te rendre compte que si c'est un meurtre...
What have you done?
What is this? Bigby.
Look what you did to the door!
Bon, j'ai
You
quand même
can't
mis
just
les doigts dans
act
les
like
yeux.
this whenever
Stand
you...
back. You don't want to see this.
Ok, donc c'est bien...
Well, we got the door open.
C'est là qu'elle est morte, hein.
Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this...
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then,
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
Yeah?
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Do you remember who rented this room last night?
I
Retour
don't
des
think
fleurs,
anyone
ouais.
did. Not last night. Maybe they have it long term. I don't know. How am I supposed to know? It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here.
Lui, il a
This
les
is
yeux
a
en
crime
sang.
scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay? Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
I can't believe
Ah, le
this.
retour des fleurs, hein.
Do all the rooms have these same
Retour des
clocks
fleurs,
with a built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Ah, dans beaucoup de meurtres, hein. C'est les mêmes, hein.
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
Là, y a plus vraiment de doute, hein. Pomme. Pomme. Hey, une pomme.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
Comme la pomme de Blanche-Neige. Est-ce que c'est quelqu'un qui... Est-ce que
We
c'est un
shouldn't even
tueur
be
qui
in
veut
here.
tuer comme... Comme les personnes auraient dû mourir dans les contes? C'est peut-être ça, hein.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White, or about the Mundy version of her story anyway.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think the apple is part of his fantasy about
Pardon.
Snow White. That would explain the one we found on the floor.
Oh
Ouais.
no. Do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that.
Ah.
I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the
C'est
scene
juste
in
un
the book.
fétichiste des contes.
Of course. That makes perfect sense. They were acting out the thing with her stepmother and the apple, which is really creepy when you think about it. You know, she almost died when... Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
Oh no. What? What is it?
Le lit correspond
I
au
think he
cercueil.
made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
This is just bizarre. This guy really has a thing about Snow. It's like pathological.
I'm getting that feeling. Yes.
Oh my god, that poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
We can't know the answer to that. Every situation is different.
Yeah.
Ok. Mince.
She must
He
have been
brought
so
wine.
scared. Classy. Maybe she didn't see it coming.
For my arrival. Ouais.
Damn it, get it together, Beauty. Be strong.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it.
Non, y a pas de sang, ouais.
It must have been
Ouais.
torn some other time.
D'accord.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about Snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the Snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It's another match to what's in the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from
que
the book.
obsédé par
The
Blanche?
apple and the deep
Pas
sleep
sûr.
and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
So he planned it all out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
Ok, il y a une enveloppe. Je fais des bonnes rencontres même dans le jeu, ouais, de fou, ouais. Tu tombes sur des fétichistes.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer. What is it?
Mais t'as te demandes si c'est la vraie Blanche.
Rain.
Quoi? Et il est en train de regarder.
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Jeez.
Je suis choqué.
Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Je suis choqué de fou. Wouah. Oh, c'est trop bien, bordel. C'est trop bien, c'est trop bien. Bon, on se retrouvera pour l'épisode 3, YouTube. Des bisous.